Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you are going to learn how you can use Typeform application to add leads into a CRM and business management tool called as Flowlu automatically. And we are going to do this with the help of an automation which is designed and created to streamline and fast pace your day-to-day business processes. So let me show you how it is going to work. So this is the flow of this automation that we are about to set up is going to look like. As and when you receive a form submission from any of your leads or customer via Typeform, the same person who have filled this form is going to be added as a new contact in Flowlu application automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And this automation will allow you to save your manual efforts to sort out the details of your leads or customers manually, then add them one by one into a CRM like Flowlu. Okay, so it will surely improve your efficiency and productivity. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. And for this, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And on this page, guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow of automation. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this. And here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name to this workflow as add leads from Typeform into Flowlu application automatically. Now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And on this page, guys, you will see these two things. First, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of any event which is going to trigger this workflow or automation. Okay. And the action is the response toward that trigger. Okay. As in our use case, the trigger would be a form submission received via Typeform, and the action towards that trigger would be to add the person who have filled the form into Flowlu application as a new contact. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up your trigger, and from this choose app field, choose your trigger application first, which is a Typeform in our case. So search for Typeform, select it. Okay. Then in the trigger event, you have to select this new entry option. Then click on connect here. And from this window, select add new connection and then click on connect with Typeform. So it will bring you to this window. Here you have to log in if you're not logged in, or if you are logged in, you have to give a required permission. Just click on accept. That is completely safe, and you'll become connected with your Typeform like this. Okay, right? Now here we have to select the form that you have created to collect your leads. So guys, I have created this form. Let me show you. So this is the form I have created. Name of this form is registration form. Okay, so you have to select your form here from this drop down. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and it will start showing this waiting for response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission or test record. Okay, so this means now you have to fill this form like a demo submission on the behalf of any customer. Let's suppose that any customer is filling the form. So you have to fill that form and fetch the demo details of a customer here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So I'm going to open this form, guys. So I'm going to click here on this sharing link. Okay. So you just can copy this link and open this link in a new tab. So this is the forms link. Okay. Now here I am going to fill this form. So here you can fill the first name of the person. Let's say the first name of the person is let's say Steve. Last name is Harvey. Okay, and the email. Okay, and Steve Harvey lives in America. Okay, then click on submit. Now you can see the form is submitted here. Now let me show you in Pabbly Connect if we got the data or the response of this form. And here you can see in this response received section, we got the response from the type form like this. And here you'll find the data of your lead or customer here like this. Let me show you. So here you can see we got the full name here, Steve Harvey, okay, in these labels. And here are the email address, okay, and the country which he belongs, okay. So this is the data we have received from our form, okay. Now according to this data, I want to create a contact in Flowlu application, and for that to happen you have to connect your Flowlu application in the Actions tab. So from this choose a field, search for Flowlu, okay, select it. Then in the action event you have to select for create CRM account. So it will create a new contact in Flowlu, okay. Select create CRM account, then click on connect. From this window select add new connection, and here it will ask for this API key and the account URL to make the connection with Flowlu. So guys, you will find this API key. You can read the instructions here. You have to navigate to system settings page of Flowlu account, and in the account URL section you will find the API key under the API settings sections, okay. So let me show you. This is my Flowlu applications dashboard, and here on this left hand side panel when you scroll down you will find the system settings, okay. And in this, so the system settings page, you have to click on this API settings tab, click on API settings, okay. And here is the API you can see, or you can create a new API key here by clicking on create, okay. And here you can give any name to this API key, the purpose of this API key. So I'm putting here it's leads. The name of this API is leads, okay. And you can select the application as CRM, okay. Then click on save, and a new key is created here. Now just copy this key from here, click on copy, and paste this key here in this API key field like this. And for the account URL, you can just check the account, you can check the link of your Flowlu account, and you have to fill the account name as with leading HTTP protocol as this, okay. So this you can find your you can open your dashboard of Flowlu, and from this URL section in the search bar you just have to copy this and paste this account URL here like this, okay, like this. Now you can click on save and you will be connected with Flowlu application like this, okay. And guys, here it will ask for this first name, the last name, the account type, and all these details to create a contact in Flowlu. And I'm going to map the details that I have received via Typeform in this first tab to map here to create a account or to create a contact, okay. So to map the details that you have received in the first tab, you just have to come here and click here on this field, and you will find this Typeform option in the drop down. And from here, when you scroll down up to the last part of the data, you will find the first name. This is the first name level, you can see, map it, okay. For the last name, use the same process. Click Typeform and scroll down to the last part, to the last section, and here you will find the last name. Let me show you. Here is the last name, and you can select the account type as contact or organization. I'm selecting here contact. You can select the category of this contact as the category is here: competitor, analyst, integrator, investor, prospect. I'm selecting prospect here, okay. You can select the industry from which it belongs, so I'm selecting the industry as education. You can map the address if you have any, or if you have all these things, you can map all these things. Right now I don't have these things, so I'm leaving these fields blank because these are not compulsory things, okay. Right, now you can select the owner ID, which is it will show you the account ID of the owner of Flowlu account, okay. So select it. Now you can check your connection with Flowlu by clicking on save and send test request. So this is my Flowlu application, and you can see we have this CRM section, and under the CRM section we have the contacts. Here you can check the list of the contacts we have like this. Okay, so right now we have these contacts here. Now let me check our connection. I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and a new contact will be added in my Flowlu. Here you can see this is the response ID we have received. Now let me show you in my Flowlu application. I'm refreshing this page here. And here you can see Steve Harvey is added as a prospect here in this list. Okay. And you can find out all the details related to this person by clicking on it. Okay. Right. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And we are done setting up this automation. And let me show you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this action, in this trigger section, I connected Typeform. And after that, I fetch the response of a demo submission via form like this. And after that, in the actions tab, I connected Flowlu to create a contact there. For that, I mapped the data like this. And when you map the data like this, what will happen in real time, whenever you receive a form submission, this data is going to change accordingly and a new contact will be added into Flowlu. Okay. So I have mapped these things. You can map many things as you want. And guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when any person is going to fill your form, you will receive a new contact in Flowlu application. I can show you a real-time example too. I'm opening my form again here. Okay, and I'm going to fill this form here again. And this time the person who's filling the form is Mr. Keanu. Okay, Reeves, let's say. And Keanu Reeves' email ID. And he belongs to, let's say, Ukraine. And I'm clicking on submit. And you can see the form is submitted here. Now I'm going to show you directly in Flowlu application if a new person with this same name got added or not. So I'm opening my contact section in Flowlu again. Okay, and here you can find out this Keanu Reeves is added here automatically. You can see as a prospect. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.